This one looked like a regular comet. It had a fuzzy glow around it, a coma, which is exactly what you'd expect from a giant ball of ice and dust getting
O jie dabar sako, kad jis turėjo kažkokį keistą glauvį, kurio tu tikies, kai skrenda didelis plėdyjas toksai dalykas. Bet pradžioj video sakė, jisai šviečia. Ką tai galėtų reikšti? 10 gigavatų paslapties? Wow, guys!
closer to the sun. The ice warms up, turns to gas, and creates a beautiful halo.
Apie ką kalbu? Uodega susidaro.
Case closed, right?
No.
Wrong. The thing nobody tells you is, the more we looked, the less sense it made. Many people are crazy about space, but even for seasoned astronomers, what came next was a shocker. When the Hubble Space Telescope took a closer look, the images showed something that shouldn't be possible. Comets have tails that are pushed away from the sun by solar wind and radiation pressure.